So hi guys, let's unbox this Amazon Basics wireless mouse. You can see it comes in such a packing. So let's unbox this. Let's open this. This you get a cable, a white color cable. I have ordered the white color mouse. See, so thin, sleek. You can get the Bluetooth receiver. It's actually a two-way connecting. It can connect either via Bluetooth or through the 2.4 GHz receiver. So you can see it comes in this thing, and this is the DPI controller. This is white color. So it comes in a micro USB charger and connected. It's a rechargeable. It longs for this thing. So it comes in two colors. So you can see there's one gray, there's one white. So similar in design. So you can see it. So I got this for about $4.99 in Amazon. So you get this user manual, the model. So 2.4, all those things. 1 year. It comes with 1 year warranty, and etc. Thank you guys.